हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपको चैप्टर सेकंड की रिवीजन कराऊंगी और इसकी एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशंस कराऊंगी। लेट अस स्टार्ट। कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड, न्यूट्रिएंट्स। द कंपोनेंट्स needed by our body for proper growth are known as nutrients. Major nutrients are five. First, carbohydrates. Second, fat. Third, proteins. Fourth, vitamins. And fifth, minerals. डाइटरी फाइबर्स एंड वाटर आर आल्सो नीडेड बाय आवर बॉडी। ये भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं। टेस्ट फॉर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के लिए टेस्ट करेंगे तो इसके लिए मेन कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है स्टार्च। कोई भी हम फूड आइटम लेंगे जिसके अंदर स्टार्च होगा और उसके अंदर हम 2 से 3 ड्रॉप आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन की डालेंगे तो अगर ब्लू ब्लैक कलर आता है तो ये कंफर्म करेगा कि उस फूड आइटम के अंदर कार्बोहाइड्रेट है। अब हम करेंगे टेस्ट फॉर प्रोटीन्स। मिल्क लेंगे हम इसके लिए, क्योंकि मिल्क ऐसा फूड है जिसके अंदर प्रोटीन होता है। इसके अंदर हम कॉपर सल्फेट डालेंगे, इसकी 2 ड्रॉप, और कास्टिक सोडा इसकी डालेंगे हम 10 ड्रॉप्स। इसको हम कुछ टाइम के लिए रखेंगे। अगर इसके अंदर वायलेट कलर आता है तो ये कंफर्म करता है कि मिल्क के अंदर प्रोटीन होता है। अब हम टेस्ट फॉर फैट्स करेंगे। अगर हम टिश्यू पेपर के अंदर पूरी या पराठा थोड़ी देर के लिए रैप करके रख देते हैं और फिर बाद में उस पेपर को देखते हैं, टिश्यू पेपर को, तो उसके ऊपर एक ऑयली पैच दिखाई देता है। ये कंफर्म करता है कि हमारे फूड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं पूरी और पराठा, इसके अंदर फैट होता है। नाउ वी विल डू फंक्शन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड फैट्स। बोथ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड फैट्स provide energy to our body, but fats give us more energy as compared to carbohydrates. The food which contains fats and carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Now we will do sources of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is found in potato, papaya, wheat, rice, bajra, melon, mango, maize, sugarcane and sweet potato, etc. Sources of fats: nuts, tills, sunflower oil, coconut oil, mustard oil. These are the sources of the fats. These are the plant sources of fats. Milk, butter, eggs, ghee, fish, meat. These are the sources of the animal sources of the fat. Functions of proteins. Proteins help in growth and repair. They are also known as bodybuilding foods. Sources of proteins: gram, moong, tur dal, soybean, peas. These are plant sources of protein. Milk, meat, fish, egg, paneer. These are animal sources of proteins. Now we will do the fourth major nutrient, that is vitamins. One side name of the vitamin, middle में source, and in the last column deficiency disorder. First विटामिन ए, इसके सोर्सेज हैं पपाया, कैरेट, मैंगो। अगर हमारे फूड के अंदर विटामिन ए नहीं होता तो हमें डेफिशिएंसी डिसऑर्डर होता है, लॉस ऑफ विजन। नाउ विटामिन बी1, इट्स सोर्सेज आर wheat, rice, liver, and its deficiency disorder is beriberi. Now vitamin C. Sources are orange, tomato, lemon, avla, and deficiency disorder is scurvy. Now vitamin D. It is found in egg, liver, fish, and its deficiency disorder is rickets. Our body also prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Now we will do the fifth nutrient, minerals. Minerals are needed in small amount, but they are essential for proper growth of our body. Name of the mineral, their source and their deficiency disease. First, iodine. Sources are ginger, fish, deficiency disease is goiter. Second, iron, its sources are apple, spinach. Deficiency disease is anemia. Now, third, mineral, calcium, sources are milk and egg, and due to its deficiency, bone and tooth decay occurs. Dietary fibers, they are also important nutrient. They are known as roughes, sources, whole grains, pulses, fresh fruits and vegetables. What is the function of dietary fibers? They do not provide any nutrient but is an essential component of our food. They add to its bulk and help our body get rid of undigested food. Now, water. It is also important component of our food. Functions are, it helps our body to absorb the nutrients from the food. Second, it helps in throwing out some waste from our body as urine and sweat. Balanced diet. The diet which contains all the nutrients that our body needs along with roughes and water is known as balanced diet. What precautions should we take during cooking? First, fruits and vegetables should be washed before cutting or peeling them. Do not wash pulses and rice repeatedly. Third, do not use excess water for cooking. Obesity. It is harmful for us to eat fat-rich foods and we can suffer from obesity. Deficiency diseases. The disease which occur due to deficiency or lack of the nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. Now we will do NCERT solutions. Name the major nutrients in our food. Major nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Name the following. The nutrient which mainly give energy to our food, carbohydrates and fats. B. The nutrient that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body, they are minerals. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight, vitamin A. D. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy, इसका आंसर होगा कैल्शियम. Now question number 3. Name 2 foods rich in fats. Groundnut, almonds, coconut oil. B. Starch. Rice, potato, wheat flour. C. Dietary fiber. Whole grains, pulses, raw vegetables. D. Proteins. Pulses, milk, egg. Tick the statements that are correct. A. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. It is false. B. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. True. C. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. True. D. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. False. Now question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Rickets. B. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Vitamin B1. C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. D. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food. Okay, bye bye बच्चों.